External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has reiterated India's commitment to the Act East, Act First and Act First policy, emphasizing Assam's potential as a hub for the Act East policy. Calling the Advantage Assam 2.0 Investment and Infrastructure Summit a landmark event for the state, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said that no other state except Gujarat has witnessed such a large-scale investment summit. Union Home Minister Amit Shah proclaimed that the Indian economy, which has already ascended from the 10th to the 5th position globally, will soon become the third largest in the world by 2027. Devotees from across the country gathered in large numbers at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj in the early hours of Wednesday for the final Snan of the Mahakumbh, coinciding with the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri. FC Barcelona and Atletico Madrid played out a thrilling 4-4 draw in the first leg of the Copa del Rey semi-final at Montjuic.